What if I told you the future of space travel might not require fuel, engines, or even a rocket? Just sunlight. A spaceship powered by nothing but the gentle push of photons. Sounds like sci-fi, right? It's not. It's flying above your head right now. Imagine a giant sail, thinner than a human hair, unfurling silently in the vacuum of space. No sound, no exhaust, just light pushing it forward. This isn't a theory, it's a technology already tested in space, and it could change how we explore the universe forever. It all began with a bold mission called IKAROS. In 2010, Japan launched a spacecraft equipped with a solar sail. Not a motor, a sail. Like a cosmic kite, it used sunlight to propel itself through space. And it worked. That delicate sail captured the momentum of photons, particles of light, and slowly began to move. No fuel, no combustion, just the silent force of physics. Light doesn't have mass, but it has momentum. When photons hit a reflective surface, they push ever so slightly, and in space, even the tiniest push adds up. It's like pushing a car on ice, slow at first, but unstoppable once it's moving. In 2019, another mission, LightSail 2, backed by the Planetary Society, proved it again. A small spacecraft about the size of a loaf of bread deployed a sail the size of a boxing ring, and it moved. Day by day, orbit by orbit, it rose higher above Earth, powered only by sunlight. But what's coming next? That's where it gets wild. A project called Breakthrough Starshot wants to send tiny probes, each the size of a postage stamp, to another star. Not with rockets, but with Earth-based lasers blasting at solar sails. The idea? Push them to 20% the speed of light. At that speed, they could reach Alpha Centauri in just a few decades. That would be the first human-made object to visit another star system, all with no fuel on board. Just lasers, sails, and a whole lot of science. It's hard to overstate how radical this is. Traditional spacecraft carry fuel, and fuel adds weight. The more fuel you need, the more fuel you need to carry that fuel. It's a vicious cycle. But solar sails flip that on its head. No fuel, no limits, just pure momentum from light. And once they start moving, they don't stop. Ever. As long as there's light, whether from the sun or a powerful laser, they accelerate. Slowly, steadily, forever. We're talking about spacecraft that could operate for decades without refueling, exploring the icy moons of Jupiter, the rings of Saturn, the distant reaches of the Kuiper Belt, all silently sailing through space. Even hybrid versions are in development, combining solar sails with magnetic fields or light steering to reach new speeds and maneuver with precision. It's like turning a simple sailboat into a smart, self-navigating yacht in space. And here's what makes it truly poetic. For centuries, we've looked up at the stars and wondered how to reach them. Now, the very light from those stars may be the answer. We're not waiting for warp drives anymore. We're learning to ride the wind of the cosmos, one photon at a time. So the next time sunlight hits your face, remember, that same light could one day carry us to another world. Not with fire, not with force, but with sails, unfolding into the stars.